welcome back to Quarantine Kitchen. Today we are going to face the problem of there being no eggs in the grocery store. You may have noticed, you go down the aisle, there's not an egg to be seen. We are out of eggs in the fridge, no eggs. How are we supposed to make French toast? How are we supposed to make pancakes? It's a major dilemma. However, we do have this weird stuff. This looks like a milk container, but it's filled with eggs, and we would like to be able to use it for cooking. But the problem is it's so big, if we unfreeze this, then it'll be too much eggs because it'll go bad by the time we use it all. So, in order to fix this problem, we've got these canisters. And what we're going to do is we're going to unfreeze this and put them in the canisters, and then we'll be able to have little serving size eggs. And then we're also going to unfreeze this ham, and we are going to make a Denver omelette, which will be magnifique. So this is going in the fridge, this is going in the fridge, and we'll see you tomorrow. It's been 48 hours. And our egg carton is now nice and unfrozen. And our ham is also unfrozen. So we are going to pour the egg mixture into each of these film canisters, like that, so that these can go back in the freezer and I can have a little mini egg serving later. And I won't have to go to the grocery store in the next 2 weeks. So I'm going to undo this thing. I'm going to pour the egg mixture in each of the film canisters. So that's like 1 egg serving. It's still a little bit slushy, honestly. So these will go in the freezer. This will go in the fridge. So I'll have eggs for like, a week, and then next week I can use these guys. So the next thing, we are going to make our omelet. Alright, this pan has been warming up. It's on low heat right now. I'm going to use butter. Just get it all over the pan so it won't stick. And so like that. Smells good. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to really measure it. I'm just going to pour it in till I feel that it's about right. And we'll just wait here. It's pretty goopy. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. See, what you want to do is get this stuff, this wet part, underneath a little bit. But that didn't really work. So you're supposed to make it go under, but we missed our opportunity. So we'll just have to grieve that loss, and we'll do it a different way. Okay, so now we're going to put our ingredients in. So I've got some onions and some green pepper, okay, and I'll put a little bit of ham in there. You could also put cheese, but I'm not going to do cheese for mine because I like it better without cheese. And now comes the fun part. You can put a little bit of hot sauce in a design like that. And now it's ready to eat. There you have it. We may be in quarantine, but we can still have a delicious omelet. We'll see you next time on Quarantine Kitchen.